Mandrill. Mandrills are among the largest monkeys in the world, and they are native to the rainforests of Central Africa. They are instantly recognizable because of their colorful faces, with shades of blue, red, and purple around the nose and muzzle. Adult males are much larger than females and have especially vivid markings. Mandrills spend much of their time on the forest floor, searching through leaves and soil for fruit, seeds, roots, insects, and other food. They live in social groups and communicate through body movements, facial expressions, and different vocal sounds. Their strong build and flexible diet allow them to thrive in dense tropical forests. Baboon. Baboons are large Old World monkeys found across much of Africa, with one species also living in parts of the Arabian Peninsula. Unlike monkeys that spend most of their lives in trees, baboons are comfortable traveling on the ground. They live in large social groups called troops, where individuals cooperate, compete, and maintain complex relationships. Baboons eat almost anything they can find, including fruit, seeds, grass, roots, insects, and occasionally small animals. Their powerful bodies and adaptable behavior allow them to live in forests, grasslands, and dry regions. They are also excellent climbers, often using trees as places to rest or escape danger. Langur. Langurs are Old World monkeys found mainly across South and Southeast Asia. Many species have long arms, long legs, and impressive tails that help them balance while moving through trees. Their bodies are generally suited to a diet containing plenty of leaves, although they may also eat fruit, flowers, seeds, and other plant material. Langurs are social animals and commonly live in groups. Some species spend much of their time high in the canopy, while others regularly come down to the ground. Their ability to digest leafy vegetation allows them to make use of food that many other monkeys cannot rely on as heavily. Macaque. Macaques are one of the most widespread groups of Old World monkeys, with different species living across Asia and parts of Africa. They come in many forms, from small forest-dwelling species to larger monkeys adapted to mountains and cooler environments. Some macaques are comfortable living close to people, while others remain deep in forests. Their diets can include fruit, leaves, seeds, insects, and other available foods. Macaques are highly social and use calls, facial expressions, and body language to communicate. Their ability to adapt to different habitats is one of the main reasons this group has become so widespread. Capuchin monkey. Capuchin monkeys are small New World monkeys from Central and South America. They are especially famous for their intelligence, curiosity, and remarkably dexterous hands. Capuchins spend much of their time in forests, moving through branches while searching for fruit, insects, seeds, and other foods. Some species are known to use objects as simple tools when solving problems or reaching food. They live in social groups and constantly communicate with one another. Their combination of intelligence, flexible behavior, and climbing ability makes capuchins some of the most adaptable monkeys in the American tropics. Squirrel monkey. Squirrel monkeys are small New World monkeys that live in tropical forests of Central and South America. They have lightweight bodies and are extremely agile, allowing them to move quickly through branches. Their diet includes fruit, insects, flowers, seeds, and other small foods they encounter in the forest. Squirrel monkeys are highly social and can travel in groups containing many individuals. Staying together provides opportunities to find food and helps the group watch for potential predators. Their small size and speed make them particularly well suited to life in the forest canopy. Spider monkey. Spider monkeys are New World monkeys found in the tropical forests of Central and South America. Their name comes from their long, thin limbs and remarkably long prehensile tails, which can act almost like an extra arm while they move through the canopy. Spider monkeys are especially important seed dispersers because they eat large amounts of fruit and carry seeds across the forest. They are highly agile and can swing or stretch between branches without needing to descend to the ground. Their long limbs and gripping tails are some of the clearest examples of how animals can become specialized for life high above the forest floor. Howler monkey. Howler monkeys are famous for producing some of the loudest calls made by any land animal. They live in forests across Central and South America and use their deep calls to communicate with other groups over long distances. Howlers spend much of their time resting in trees because their diet contains a large amount of leaves, which provide relatively low amounts of energy compared with many fruits. They also eat fruit and other plant material when available. Their powerful vocalizations help groups communicate while avoiding unnecessary physical confrontations with neighboring groups. Marmoset. Marmosets are among the smallest monkeys in the world and are native to South America. Their small bodies allow them to move easily along thin branches where larger monkeys may have difficulty traveling. Many marmosets have specialized teeth and claws that help them climb and feed on tree sap and other plant secretions. They also eat fruit, insects, nectar, and other small foods. Their faces often have distinctive patterns of fur, making different species easy to recognize. Marmosets typically live in family groups and cooperate in caring for young. Tamarin. Tamarins are small New World monkeys found in Central and South America. They include several species with very different appearances, from golden-colored tamarins to striking black and white varieties. Tamarins are quick and agile climbers that spend much of their time in forest vegetation. Their diet can include fruit, insects, nectar, small animals, and plant material. Family cooperation is especially important to their way of life, with group members helping care for young. Their small size and flexible diet allow them to make use of many different food sources within the forest. Colobus monkey. Colobus monkeys are African forest monkeys known for their distinctive coats and long limbs. Their name comes from a Greek word associated with their reduced thumbs, which are much smaller than those of many other monkeys. This unusual hand structure does not prevent them from being excellent climbers. Instead, they use their remaining fingers and long limbs to move through the canopy. Colobus monkeys eat large amounts of leaves, along with fruit, flowers, and other plant material. Because they rely heavily on vegetation, they have specialized digestive systems that help them process their leafy diet. Vervet monkey. Vervet monkeys are African Old World monkeys that live in habitats ranging from woodland and savanna to areas close to rivers and human settlements. They are social animals that live in groups and use many different calls to communicate. Some calls can alert members of the group to particular types of danger, helping them respond quickly. Vervets have flexible diets that can include fruit, leaves, seeds, flowers, insects, and other available foods. Their adaptability allows them to survive in changing environments, making them one of the more familiar monkey species across parts of Africa.